Welcome to Citing a Journal Article in APA format from the Northeast State Community College Wayne G. Baszler Library. In this video, we are going to learn what elements are needed and how to format them to correctly cite a journal article in APA format. When citing a journal article in APA format, you will be looking for several basic pieces of information: the author, the date of publication, the title of the article, the title of the journal, the volume and issue number of the journal, the page numbers of the article, and the DOI, Digital Object Identifier, of the article or its URL if it was found on a website. You can usually find this information by using the first page of the article and the record in the database. Information about the author is found on the first page of the article. All authors' names are written with the last name first, comma, first initial, period, middle initial, period, if available. An ampersand, or and symbol, is placed before the final name if there is more than one author. There is a comma after each name and a period after the final name. In the case of our example, the names will be written Gleiss, comma, A period, C period, comma, Wright, comma, S period, comma, Leipsch, comma, N period, comma, Wilson, comma, R period, P period, comma, ampersand, Norman, comma, B period. The next piece of information in an APA journal article citation is the date of publication. You may need to look at both the first page of the article and the database to find the most complete date available, as the date is usually printed on the title page of the journal, which is generally not available. The elements of the date will be in the order of year, comma, month or season, date. Include as many of the date elements as you have available. The date is placed in parentheses and followed by a period. In our example, the date is written as open parentheses 2013, comma, November, close parentheses, period. The next element of an APA journal citation is the title of the article. This is also taken from the first page of the article. Only the first word of the title and any subtitle is capitalized, as well as any proper nouns. The title is followed by a period. For our example, the title would be written as Contrasting Deal Patterns in Vertical Movement and Locomotor Activity of Whale Sharks at Ningaloo Reef, period, capitalizing contrasting and Ningaloo Reef. The next piece of information that we will need is the title of the journal. It is located on the first page of the article or in the database record. Sometimes it is abbreviated in the article, making it necessary to check the database record for the full title, as the title is always spelled out in its entirety in the citation. All of the main words of the title are capitalized, and it is written in italics. The journal title is followed by a comma. For our example, the journal title is written as Marine Biology in italics, comma. Following the journal title, we have the volume and issue numbers. Like the journal title, they are generally located on the first page of the article, but you may sometimes have to look in the database record, especially for the issue number. The volume number is written in italics, and the issue number is enclosed in parentheses directly following the volume number with no space. Sometimes there will not be an issue number. If that is the case, simply leave it out and end with the volume number. Follow the volume and issue, if given, with a comma. In our example, the volume and issue numbers will be written as 160 in italics, open parentheses 11, close parentheses, comma. Our next piece of information is the page numbers. These can be found either in the article or the database record. You may have to look at all the pages of the article to see the numbers, or you may need to look at citation information from the database to get them. The page numbers are written with a dash between the first and last page numbers. The number or numbers are followed by a period. The page numbers for our article are written as 2981-2992 period. Our final piece of information for our citation is the DOI or URL. If your article has a DOI, you will always use it here. It can usually be found on the first page of the article and sometimes in the database, so you will need to check in both places. The DOI is written with https://doi.org/ preceding the DOI number. If you do not have a DOI and your article came from a website instead of a database, include the URL for the article. Do not place a period at the end of the DOI or URL. Our article has a DOI, so we will have https://doi.org/ and the DOI number. When we put all the elements of the citation together, we get Gleiss, A period, C period, Wright, S period, Leipsch, N period, Wilson, R period, P period, ampersand, Norman, B period. Open parentheses, 2013, November, close parentheses, period. Contrasting deal patterns and vertical movement and locomotor activity of whale sharks at Ningaloo Reef, period. Marine biology in italics, 160 in italics. Open parentheses, 11, close parentheses, 2981 to 2992, period. https://doi.org/DOI number. The last element of formatting is the hanging indent, where the first line is flush with the left margin and the other lines are indented half an inch. Most word processing programs have a function that will do this for you. If you need any help using APA format or finding or citing sources, please don't hesitate to contact one of your friendly librarians. We are here to help you. Visit us at the library, call us, chat with us live, email us, or make an appointment for an individualized one-on-one session.